This is a tutorial for clarinets for the piece called Furioso by Robert W. Smith. For this piece, you're going to have to practice a scale first. It's a funny little scale called A natural minor. It starts on an A low A. It goes A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and A. It sounds like this. So practice that before you attack Furioso. All right, in the beginning, we've got A, F, E4, 2, E, F, E, F, E, F, E, F, A. Don't get lost in all those quavers and pay close attention to the dynamics. We have to start loud. On the E, you see something with S, F, and P. That stands for sforzando piano. And it means that you have to hit the note pretty loud, drop down to piano very quickly, and then crescendo again until the forte. If I don't put the dynamics in, this is what it sounds like. And now I'm going to add the dynamics. 1, 2, 3. Now you can hear the difference there. It takes some practice, but it's really important. Following this, we have 7 bars rest. Count them like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 2, 3, 4. 3, 2, 3, 4. 4, like that. Okay, next section we have A4, 2, E4, 2, C, D, E4, 2, B, C4, 2, A4, 3, E, A4, 2, E, C, D, F4, 2, E2, 3, 4, hold 2, 3, 4, A4, 2, E4, 2, C, D, E4, 2, B, C, B, A, C, D, E, E, F, E, G, A. Okay, let's do that section. From 11. 1, 2, 3. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, 4. When we get to 29, the first beat is a rest. So you've got nothing. E, E, F, G, A, F, E, D. E, F. Okay, so I'll play that for you from 29. 1, 2, 3, 4. To 59. All right, so it's very easy to play. It's really easy to get lost because you're playing the same thing bar after bar. So your main challenge here is to focus on really following the notes. That sounds easier than what it actually is, because it doesn't take much for us to lose our concentration and we get distracted for just a second and then you don't know where you are. So that's your big challenge through that section from 35 to 59. You'll also notice that I was playing my notes really short. You can see those little dots underneath the notes, those are staccato marks. So you want to play your notes really, really short there. Use your tongue. Okay, so at 59, you've got another 2 bars rest. 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, 4. You get your breath back a little bit. And then I'll play now from 61 right till the end. I'm going to play close attention to the dynamics. 1, 2, 3. I really exaggerated my pianos and my fortes and even that fortissimo right at the end. It's a little bit easier for us on the clarinet to make these really, really wide dynamic differences. It's easier for us than, say, on the flute. So we should really exaggerate those. Okay, practice a little bit every day. I'll see you soon.